How to delete duplicate contacts on iPhone at once. To delete duplicate contact on your iPhone in bulk, you could use View Duplicate feature in the Contact app or iCloud as well. Open the Contact app on your iPhone, then go ahead and click on View Duplicate below your contact card. Tap individual contact to review and merge them, or tap Merge All to merge all duplicate ones. As you've done it, so this should be able to help you out to delete duplicate contact all at once. You could also do this step, that is, you could go ahead and open the contact app, scroll through your contact to find a duplicate, tap edit in the upper left corner and select duplicate contact that you want to delete, and simply click on delete option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on delete again to confirm. This could be helpful in order to delete duplicate contact. So these are some of the ways to delete duplicate contact. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.